Are you looking to streamline your ad campaigns and boost ROI without all the guesswork? Ads Copilot AI could be the tool you're searching for. In this video, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about Ads Copilot AI, the best new AI software just released to help you take control of your ads like never before. Right off the bat, Ads Copilot AI is designed to revolutionize how you run your ads. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to the world of advertising, this software claims to automate complex tasks, optimize your campaigns, and drive better results. It's perfect for anyone who feels overwhelmed by ad management or wants to scale their efforts effortlessly. First up, Ads Copilot AI integrates seamlessly with major ad platforms like Facebook, Google Ads, and Instagram. This means you can manage all your campaigns from one dashboard without having to jump between different platforms. It simplifies the entire process, saving you time and energy. One of the standout features of Ads Copilot AI is its ability to generate high-converting ad copy in seconds. By analyzing top-performing ads across industries, it creates content that speaks directly to your target audience. This is a game changer if you're not a copywriting expert or you don't have the budget to hire one. But it doesn't stop there. The AI continuously optimizes your ads in real time, analyzing metrics like engagement, conversions, and cost per click. Ads Copilot AI automatically adjusts your bids, budgets, and targeting to make sure you're getting the best return on your investment. So you're not just running ads, you're running smart, efficient ads. Another feature I really like is the AI's predictive analytics. It uses past data and trends to forecast which ads will perform best. This allows you to make informed decisions before you even launch a campaign. If you're new to ad management, this takes the guesswork out of the equation and ensures that you're starting strong right from the get-go. If you're worried about how to monitor everything, don't be. Ads Copilot AI provides detailed reports that break down your campaign performance with easy-to-read visuals. You'll get a comprehensive view of how your ads are performing across platforms and what changes you can make to improve them further. Now, I know some of you may be hesitant about trying new AI software, but here's the thing. Ads Copilot AI gives you a risk-free trial. You can try the software for free from the first link below and experience firsthand how it can supercharge your advertising strategy. If you're looking for precision, efficiency, and results, Ads Copilot AI is definitely worth considering. And by the way, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I've listed some of my top recommendations for you in the description below. These tools could help you improve everything from digital marketing to content creation, and best of all, they're free to try. So, if you want to stay ahead of the competition and streamline your ad management, check out Ads Copilot AI and the recommended tools in the description. With this software, you're not just optimizing your ads, you're optimizing your entire business strategy.